Hi.
Yes, I have a chat with you on children's progress.
In school, they have Chinese friends. Some of them nowadays Chinese also talking English. So some of his friends still talk Mandarin, right? Mandarin with them. So they communicate lah. Even in school, they are taking the syllabus Chinese.
They all are in a normal SK school.
Yes, yes.
So then there's Chinese extra subject in school.
Yes.
And they are taking.
Yes.
Then why come to me?
Because actually they didn't go for any Chinese school or Chinese class, no base. Now I think they're quite okay lah. They understand in school also no problem for taking Chinese syllabus. They are okay. Their result also okay.
That means they are already taking Chinese subjects in school before they came to me.
Yes.
How are they doing before coming to me?
After they come to your this one, I see a bit got progress. They can talk, but the thing is they shy. They don't want to communicate. They know the thing, but they don't want to communicate. I have to pause them. Actually, like previous tuition center, they more focus on writing like in school. They make it like look harder for them. So even the first class, when I attend your first class with them, I saw it's like very easy. Sometimes I still can remember that the one you see, what kind of word is that? This one, that one. Cek, all that, and then puyong kecil. I still remember all these words.
Yeah.
Even one day class also, I still remember. So I told them, you all still can do it. Compared to the before tuition center, they like sometimes the teacher also like very strict, pressure them. So I stopped lah. For 2 years they learned there.
How much you're paying lah there?
Actually, it's just 100 per person lah. Per person.
So 200 lah. So 1 year, 2,000, 4,000. Oh my god, it's a lot of money.
Yes. So the thing.
But then,
yeah.
you're paying so much, but then no results.
So then I stopped, and then I survey yours, and then that's why they started. In Chinese, because recently I get their Siran dalam bilik belajar, the TP, right? They're marking, but they don't have exam for Chinese. Based on the teachers' class, in a class, their comments, they got the thingy.
For what?
For Chinese. I don't know. Sangat tertinggi. Mention that sangat tertinggi. I don't know how they.
Before me, tak tinggi eh?
No. Just like sederhana kind of like that only lah. But this time I say not other subject, just Chinese. Sangat tertinggi. The teacher mentioned that. Sangat tertinggi. Cannot see. Cannot see lah.
Sangat tertinggi.
They say sangat tertinggi. The rest subject is tinggi only. They mentioned there the TP. For Chinese is sangat tinggi for both of them. Ranesh Rinesh also this year only they joined chess class. Actually they don't know how to play chess. They do join this year only, and then I'm also not sure. I just want them to learn the chess, but then first they don't have interest at all. Then I want to ask the teacher, how's the improvement? Can they follow? Because the teacher already tell that if they don't know how to play totally, like really cannot, the teacher will sack them out. That. And now they are going for second level ready for chess.
So fast.
Yeah.
So
just, last month only the teacher informed me lah.
They can go second level.
Yes.
How come?
Don't know. Chinese.
So when I did my research, I found out there is a correlation. There's a linking Chinese language and brain development.